Hi, it's Ra, Rishi Kavi Raghudas from Star Presence Astrology, here to give the astrological forecast for Tuesday, September 16th, 2025. Well, yesterday was a bit floaty. Today is very unlike that. It's kind of a bang, bang, bang sort of a day, and that is because the moon makes no less than 7 aspects to different planets today. So one thing after another is sort of the theme of the day today. The sun today is at 23, moving to 24 degrees. Practical and hyper-organized, but generally service-oriented. Earth sign of Virgo. We need that because Virgo energy tends to ground us and organize us. The moon today is moving through the middle and toward the late degrees of, well, ultra-sensitive, sometimes moody, but generally nurturing water sign of Cancer. And all of that is being tested today. Venus, planet of love and affection, makes the first aspect as a harmonious trine to Chiron, called the wounded healer. Venus is at 25 of Leo, and then Chiron is at 25 of Aries, and that occurs early during the pre-dawn hours, so that kind of sets up a nice resonance for the day. But after that, we have the moon conjoining Jupiter, the planet of good fortune and expansion, at 20 degrees of Cancer, which is a nice way to start off the day. 5:18 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time is when that's exact, 8:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and 1:18 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Nice kind of lucky, harmonious energy in the morning. Then comes Mars, the planet of energy and often conflict, in a direct opposition to Chiron, called the wounded healer. 25 of Libra to Chiron at 25 of Aries. Not so great. Issues are going to come up. Be careful not to get into arguments with people. 8:47 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 11:47 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 4:47 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. But thankfully, the basic aspect of the day around which everything revolves is the moon at 24 degrees of Cancer in a harmonious 60-degree sextile to the sun. It's 24 degrees of Virgo. This is good, this is harmonious, and this is smooth. 11:53 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time is when it's exact. 2:53 p.m. Pacific Eastern Daylight Time and 7:53 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. We're not out of the woods yet because the moon then at 25 of Cancer makes a hard square 90-degree angle to Chiron at 25 of Aries, which says issues are still going to be coming up. 3:31 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 6:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and 11:31 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Shortly after that, the moon makes a hard square to Mars, which is kind of conflict-laden. 3:53 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 6:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and 11:53 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Be careful under that kind of energy. In the evening, the moon makes a harmonious sextile, 60-degree angle to Mercury, which lends better communication abilities. 5:52 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 8:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and 1:52 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time. And it finishes off with the moon in a harmonious flowing trine to Saturn, the planet of structure and authorities, which is good for kind of closing out the day in a harmonious way. 28 degrees of Cancer to Saturn at 28 degrees of Pisces at 8:14 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 11:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and 4:14 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Guess what happens after that? The moon moves into the grand and glorious fire sign of Leo, so you know I'll be in gold tomorrow. 10:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 1:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and 4:20 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time. So tomorrow energy is very different. Today is a bang, bang, bang sort of a day. I'm Ra, Rishi Kavi Raghudas from Star Presence Astrology. Now, if you would like to have a personal reading with me, you can book it on my website, starpresence.net. Remember, from the very moment that you're born, you've got star presence. Enjoy this day. Yeah, I know we're still in our fields, but enjoy it no matter what.